Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Off-Axis Builds. Tonight we're going to be working on an Empi shifter. We're going to be putting on a new leather boot on that guy. I'll go through how to remove it from the car, as well as how to remove all the components on it. So remember guys to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that little bell for upcoming videos. Alright, let's tear into it. Alright guys, so the reason why I'm removing this guy is so I can put a leather boot on down here, okay? So what we're going to be removing today is this boot, this piece, and the ball, okay? The tools you'll need: flathead screwdriver and needle nose pliers. Obviously you'll need a 13mm if you got it in the car to take those two bolts off, okay? But in this case it's out of the car, so you won't need that. So first thing you're going to do, remove the ball. I'm actually going to be replacing that with a new shift knob. Got this guy that I made myself that I'm going to put on there. So what you're going to do, I don't know if you can see inside there. There is a pin, or not a pin, but a metal rod that goes all the way down. A wire, I should say, not a rod. And that's what you're going to be removing out of this unit so you can get everything apart, okay? So first off, let's go ahead, pop that guy off. I'm not going to reuse that. Reason why I'm not reusing this is because they always seem to slide up when you're shifting and they don't go back down. So we'll set that thing aside. So trace that wire all the way down. You'll see it come up right in here. There's a little groove right there where the wire hooks over and comes down. All you need to do is get that wire out of there. So now this wire's out. Kind of straighten this back up so you can put it back in. Otherwise you'll be fighting it later. Alright guys, so this is what we have as far as the finished product. It's pretty clean. Like I said, I'm going to be replacing this with something else. But I just wanted to put it on for testing. So, everything works smoothly. Go ahead and get you guys up at center console. So this will actually be inset on the frame, obviously. And then this guy is going to be tucked underneath this piece of aluminum there. It's going to look something like that. Alright guys, thanks for watching another episode of Off-Axis Builds. We got that Empi shifter all back together. I'm pretty happy with how that leather boot fits around it. Just got to get the whole center console and all that installed in the car. Alright, stay tuned for that video. We'll see you on the next one. Remember guys, it's always built, not bought. Have a good one.